Mr. Jenison Palos. Congratulations! Palakpakan natin mga kababayan.
Wow, dami mo ng fans, boss.
May certificate yan at saka black hat tomorrow or Saturday.
Oh.
Yan. Hi, OFW Chef Wars, Pinoy at Gugu Wars. Okay, at this time, I call Miss Evelyn Mendoza to receive his special gift from Sunflower, Mr. Jenison Palos and Miss Charms. Thank you so much for participating with us. Yeah. Laking tulong yan sa inyo. Yes. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much.
Grabe na yan, boss.
Okay, at this, thank you so much, sirs. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Yeah. Okay, at this time, may I call the contenders of Tawag ng Tanghalan to please prepare yourself at this area. Mr. Jonah, Mr. Fabian, and Mr. Larry. May I call our judges, Miss Shine, Mr. Berhilton, and of course, Mr. Jenison Palos, to please have a table.
Ayaw niya lumapit sa iyo, no? Sa bawang.
But before that, I would like to call somebody here